Mastering Cybersecurity Awareness Program. Remote workers are left to fend for themselves in the cybersecurity wilderness. What measures will the Cybersecurity Awareness Program take to effectively address the unique needs and security challenges of remote or traveling employees, ensuring that they receive equal attention and protection as their office-based counterparts? The Cybersecurity Awareness Program will take a multifaceted approach to address the unique needs and security challenges of remote or traveling employees, ensuring they receive equal attention and protection as their office-based counterparts. Firstly, the program will provide remote and traveling employees with a comprehensive remote access policy that outlines the security protocols and procedures they must follow when accessing company resources from outside the office. This policy will include guidelines on how to securely connect to the company network, use strong authentication, and encrypt sensitive data. To ensure that remote and traveling employees have the necessary tools and resources to stay secure, the program will provide them with company-approved virtual private network (VPN) software and antivirus protection on their devices. The program will also conduct regular software updates and patches to prevent vulnerabilities. In addition, the Cybersecurity Awareness Program will implement a training program specifically designed for remote and traveling employees, which will focus on the unique security challenges they face. The training will cover topics such as how to identify and avoid phishing scams, how to use public Wi-Fi networks securely, and how to protect company data on personal devices. The program will also provide remote and traveling employees with a secure communication channel to report any security incidents or concerns. This will enable them to quickly report any suspicious activity or security breaches, allowing the company to respond promptly and minimize any potential damage. To further support remote and traveling employees, the program will establish a dedicated support team that can provide them with technical assistance and guidance on security-related issues. This team will be available 24/7 to ensure that remote and traveling employees have access to the help they need, whenever they need it. Furthermore, the program will implement a monitoring system to track and analyze the online activities of remote and traveling employees, identifying any potential security threats and taking swift action to mitigate them. This system will also provide insights into employee behavior, enabling the company to identify areas where additional training or support may be required. In terms of device management, the program will implement a Bring Your Own Device (BYOD) policy that outlines the security requirements for personal devices used for work. This policy will include guidelines on how to secure personal devices, how to use containerization to separate work and personal data, and how to remotely wipe devices in the event of a security breach. To ensure that remote and traveling employees are held accountable for their role in maintaining the company's cybersecurity posture, the program will include metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure their adherence to security policies and procedures. This will enable the company to identify areas where additional training or support may be required and make data-driven decisions to improve cybersecurity. Finally, the program will conduct regular security audits and risk assessments to identify potential vulnerabilities in the remote access infrastructure and provide recommendations for improvement. This will enable the company to stay ahead of emerging threats and ensure that remote and traveling employees have the necessary protections in place to stay secure. By taking a comprehensive approach to addressing the unique needs and security challenges of remote or traveling employees, the Cybersecurity Awareness Program can ensure that they receive equal attention and protection as their office-based counterparts, and that the company's overall cybersecurity posture is strengthened as a result.